Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one a couple of days ago on this day right there with that hammer. Talked about how hammer forming around this moving average is a good thing, but there were some things that needed to be taken note of, especially and specifically what I'd mentioned was this negative divergence here, and that seems to be getting the better of the chart right now as its price has continued to pull back. This was just a false signal. Next day was a big red candle which pretty much denied this move, and then on Thursday moved below the 50-day simple moving average, and then today you can see dropped even further down. However, what we now have going on is another just beautiful hammer candle right there, which has formed. Now it's good, but at the same time it's kind of like, well, let's see what happens. And what I mean by that is the chart has a history. There's another nice hammer. Let's try that again, kind of just so this hammer candle right here, and then you can see what happened, big move up. Then another example, hammer candle right there, and then a couple more days consolidation, then a big move up, and then we had this hammer candle, and obviously nothing happened like these other cases. So I guess looking back at the history of the chart, I'm sure you could find more examples. Right now, 2 out of 3 times when a hammer candle forms, usually good things happen. So we'll see if we can pick up that trend again. But you know, this one right here, you know, it just has me maybe a little gun shy in the analysis now, because it has shown that you know, maybe this downwards pressure is picking up. But with this is a nice hammer candle, that long wick there. So you know, at one time the price was all the way down here, but by the time you know, the closing bell came, the bulls had fought all the way back up. So that's always a good sign. In terms of support levels, right now the key level that didn't get tested today, but going forward that really needs to hold, is going to be this area over here, and we'll just call that an even 10 cents. So 10 cents is you know, the level that really needs to hold if this pullback continues. You know, I'm not saying it will, because of this hammer candle, that is certainly encouraging, but being we have a double top here, you know, it wouldn't shock me to see it come down here and cover it. But also knowing the history of the chart and the hammer candles, you know, a big move up would not be shocking either. In terms of resistance levels, I'm going to get rid of these other lines, because right now public enemy number 1 and goal number 1 for the bulls is to get back up above this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Right now that's valued at 0.137. So 0.137, or the 50-day simple moving average, is the level that needs to be on the bulls' radar to get back above, because you know, it's had a great history of staying above this moving average, so it needs to get back up above there as soon as possible. And when that happens, you know, the chart will start to look better, and that might just be what needs to happen in order to you know, break this current negative divergence. So basically, like I said, bottom line, key thing for the bulls, get back up above this level of resistance, and that way things can start to take shape. But if anything, a few sideways days, you know, that would you know, help out the chart too. Obviously sideways days are better than down days, so we'll just have to sit back and see how next week transpires. But hopefully this camera handle here is signaling that now this downwards move is officially over and it's time to head back up. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you found the video helpful, or maybe you've already used in charts and you want to find some more advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above. Multiple instant download courses designed for beginners all the way up to advanced traders. So if you're looking for something to help you out, I'd encourage you to check out the courses. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so give them a try. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.